Hi, today we're going to talk about grab rails. There are many benefits associated with installing grab rails in your home. They can be put almost anywhere. They provide support while you carry out tasks, helping you to balance and stay upright without any issues. They are a common feature in hospitals, hotels, and other buildings. They can also be found in bathrooms and bathing tubs. They are a great addition to your home if you need a little extra support while moving around. In the bath and shower, grab rails are perfect for installing in showers and bathtubs. They provide you with added support when standing up or sitting down. They make it easier to enter and exit a bathtub or a shower unit, knowing if you lose your footing, you can rely on the grab rail to keep you up. It can be very dangerous for anyone using a shower without a grab rail. The surface is wet, you can easily slip as you move around. Without grab rails, you have nothing to hold on to if you lose your balance. They are also excellent for sitting down, and they can be used to guide someone into a seat while they shower. Grab rails can be used when going to the toilet. You can have them installed beside your unit, making it easy to move up and down. They are designed to help older adults who struggle a little when sitting and standing. As we age, our bodies get a little restrictive, and when it comes to our range of movement, squatting down onto a toilet and getting back up can be challenging. But having a grab rail to assist you makes the task a lot easier. So check out our range of grab rails to make your bathing and showering a lot more easier.